Welcome to WebStylePress. In this video, I will show you how to insert a hyperlink in Excel. This is Microsoft Excel, and to insert a hyperlink to a text, you just select the cell containing text, click Insert, then Link. You can also right-click the cell and select Insert Link. This is Display Text and paste URL here. To edit it, click the cell and you can remove the link or edit the link. To hyperlink a URL in Excel, click inside cell and press Enter. Or you can repeat the process by right-clicking and selecting Insert Link and then paste the URL here if the URL is different from the original. And to insert hyperlink for an email address, click inside cell and press Enter. And this is Google Sheet. To insert a hyperlink in this sheet, on a text, select the text, right-click, Insert Link, paste the link, apply. To insert a hyperlink on a URL, click inside cell, press Enter. Or you can right-click and insert or edit the link. To insert a hyperlink on email address in Google Sheets, right-click, insert link, type mail to, and then email address. Mail to, and then email address. Apply. So this is how you insert a hyperlink in Microsoft Excel or in Google Sheets. And I have covered text, URL, and email. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.